How to use your MagSafe charger with iPhone 12 models. Connect the USB-C connector on your MagSafe charger to a recommended 20-watt W or greater Apple USB-C power adapter or compatible third-party USB-C adapter. You can also connect to a USB-C port on a Mac or PC. Place your MagSafe charger face up as shown on a flat surface, clear of any metal objects or other foreign material. Get up to 15W faster wireless charging. The MagSafe charger is designed to quickly and safely wirelessly charge your iPhone 12. The system intelligently adapts to conditions in order to optimize charging iPhone 12 at up to 15W of peak power delivery for faster wireless charging. The actual power delivered to the iPhone will vary depending on the wattage of the power adapter and system conditions. For iPhone 12 mini, the MagSafe charger delivers up to 12W of peak power delivery. It's important to plug into a power source before placing your iPhone on the MagSafe charger. This allows MagSafe to verify it's safe to deliver maximum power. If you happen to place your iPhone on the MagSafe charger before plugging into a power source, simply remove your iPhone from the MagSafe charger, wait 3 seconds, and then put it back on to resume maximum power delivery. The MagSafe charger is designed to negotiate the max power up to 9V V and 3A A with a USB PD compatible power adapter. MagSafe will dynamically optimize power delivered to the iPhone. The power delivered to the iPhone 12 at any moment will vary depending on various factors, including temperature and system activity. All power adapters have different ratings for amount and rate of power delivery. The MagSafe charger requires the following ratings to deliver faster wireless charging. Thanks for watching.